I'm SilasQiu and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to cut my own hair. I'm actually going to give myself bangs, so if you're interested in seeing if it comes out good or not, keep on watching. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take some hair. So I'm going to take this much, a little more. I'm blind, I can't see. Why am I looking at a camera when I have a mirror right here? Genius over here. I don't want to take too much. So the thicker you want it, the more hair you want to take from the top like this. So it's totally up to you. I actually think this is good for my preference. Now, you want to tuck some hair behind your ears and kind of start separating it. So this would be too much, obviously, so you want to just pull some more back. By the way, I'm totally winging this, so wish me luck. I'm going to get the bangs that frame the face, so that's what my goal is at the moment. This part right here, I kind of want to make it a half a circle, so everything even. So I'm going to just start taking away a little bit of hair so it looks even. If you have the fine tooth comb where it has that little toothpick looking thing at the end, that would be good. But I don't have that, so we're gonna work with what we got. So just try your best to even it out. Okay, this side is good. I'm gonna make this side match that side. So as you can see here, I have a little shape going like that. It looks pretty even. So now I'm gonna comb it out one last time. And then I'm just going to twist it. Look crazy. And that's a lot of hair, so I'm not going to cut all in one go because if I mess up, at least I can kind of fix it. So I'm just going to cut like right here, my chin. Okay, below my chin, I'm being a punk. That's a lot of hair, holy crap. Okay, going for it. Who else would be nervous? Okay. Okay, right there. Cutting, I'm cutting, do you see? Well, sharper scissors would have been nice, but what are you gonna do?
Not sure it got straight.
I did not cut straight, I'm a jackass. I don't think so, I'll fix it, that's why I cut it short, but. Oh my goodness! It's so soft, okay. Let's put this to the side. Let's see how it looks, and once again, that is why I cut it long. This way, if I mess up, I can fix it. Oh, it doesn't look like a mess up, but let's see how, does it? A girl is blind at the moment, okay? Let's see how it looks when I part it. If anything, my dad will have to fix my hair for me because he cuts hair, so daddy to the rescue if I don't like it, but I don't know, I'm liking it. It's because my hair sticks out that way, so I might straighten it for you guys just so you could see, because I don't want you guys thinking, yeah, I'm going to straighten it for you guys just to prove I'm not going to cut anymore. It's just, as you can see, this side, it lays so pretty because this side is straight and it's not being all wonky and funny, but this side is sticking out because that's just how my hair is. So I'm going to straighten this side for you guys really quick on camera. So wait, let me grab my straightener. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to separate the bangs from my natural, they're all my natural hair. The bangs from the rest of my hair. Let's see if I straighten it properly. Keep in mind, guys, I haven't had bangs in a while. I don't know if I straighten it correctly. I like it. So this is the final look. I really like how it came out. I think it looks cute. I don't know, that was really, really quick and easy, and now I have bangs to frame my face. Let's see, how would it look if I had my hair up? It's cute. Success! Perfect length. I'm not gonna cut any more from it because I like how it frames the face like that. So if you want, I guess, the same as mine, you want to cut it right at your chin, so you give it enough room to kind of curve like that. So I guess that's it for this video. That was super quick, super easy. I actually really like how it turned out. I love how it turned out, that I don't need to go to a salon anymore to cut my bangs, which I used to do just for bangs. Don't mind me, I can't stop admiring the bangs that I'm looking at the viewfinder so much. Sorry. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. That's it for the video. It was super quick, super easy. I hope you enjoyed watching and went through all the feelings with me of being nervous to cut my own hair off, but I never did. Look at this. That's a lot. That's a lot of hair. I'm proud. I thought I would chicken out and not do it, but I did it, so I'm really proud. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!